Hello, good morning everyone. Solution of question number 11. Calculate the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation from the following using arithmetic mean. As we saw yesterday, this problem is also based on arithmetic mean. So I will give you one more the example for the same mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation based on arithmetic mean. What you have to find? So x is given, f is given, x and f. You write all these items here, and these items are frequencies. Now move to the f into x. How to find the f into x? So 12 into how much? 12 into this 2. So equal to 24. Like that you find now. So 12 into 2. Like that 15 into how much? 8. So you will get the 120. 15 8 is 120. Like that 10 into 3 30. 8 5 is 40. 13 6 is 19 1 is. So you will get this amount, right? So the sum of this amount is like this. Then move to the next one now. Next one means you need to find the modulus d. This symbol means modulus. This symbol, I think I yesterday explained you. Modulus means ignore the sign. Sign means negative number, right? So use this formula. What is the formula for mean? Mean formula is like this. So mean is like this. Use this mean formula and answer, right? So arithmetic mean equal to what actually? Summation of fx. Fx is how much here? 287. 287 divided by this f now. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 plus 5 18. 18 plus 7 25. So if you add all these items, you will get the 25. 25 is what actually? Frequency total. So that is n. N total is, you see this formula, 287, this one, fx total 287. So fx 287, f means total is 25. So answer is 11.48. So you need to subtract here 11.48. That is, in the modulus d, x means all these numbers minus this 11.48. So 12 minus 11.48, you write it here. How? 12 minus this 11.48. 11.48. So you will get this one. Similar 15, this one 15 minus this 11.48. So we will get this one. Like that you do it continuously. That is 10 minus this number, you will get this one, right? Similar this number minus this one, so you will get this number. So this number 13 minus 11.48. Next 90 minus 11.48 is this one. So these are the numbers, but what you need to do is, so you ignore the sign. As I said that you ignore the sign. So ignore the sign means only you have to take the difference. This was actually minus 1.48, leave it. It is only 1.48. 3.48 minus, but it is only 1.48. So as I said that this symbol ignores the sign. Minus sign tolangala nimile. Then you multiply f into modulus d. F is here, modulus d is here. 2 into this one. Which one? 2 into this number. So we will get 1.48. Like that you multiply all. 8 into this one, you will get this one. 3 into this one, 5 into this one, you will get 17.4. 6 into this one, 9.12. So you find the total. So total is 67.68. Is it clear? So this was your which answer? Summation of modulus f modulus d. Now you need to apply mean deviation formula. Which formula? Mean deviation formula. Mean deviation formula like this. So mean deviation equal to summation of fd. Fd summation of modulus fd is 67.68 divided by what is n? N is 25 is here, 25. So your answer is how much? 2.71. Now you need to solve the, see the question is mean deviation as well as mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation, right? So you need to find the coefficient now. Coefficient formula is this one. Coefficient. If the coefficient is based on a mean, then mean deviation by mean. If it is based on median, mean deviation by median, like that. So the answer is coefficient of mean deviation equal to Mean deviation is how much here? Formula is mean deviation. Mean deviation is 2.71 divided by, what is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is here 11.48. 11.48. So this was the answer for you by using the arithmetic mean, right? So this was by using the arithmetic mean. So I will assign you some questions on the basis of arithmetic mean. You solve and answer me, right? So I will show you question number the same, this one now. Means the same kind question. Okay, this question number 12 is assigned for you. The question is same. Calculate the mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation following using the arithmetic mean, right? So using arithmetic mean means use the same as it is shown here now. Use the same method. Two questions are there. The question number 10 is mean base. Question number 11 also mean base. By using these 10 and 11, you solve question number 12. Now I will go take you all that question number 12 now. So you solve this question now and send the answer to me. Now question number 13. So question number 13 is calculate the mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation now using what actually? Now using which one? The method called mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation based on now median now. So you need to use the median. The solution is like this for median base, right? So what you have to find now? So when you are finding the mean deviation, median base, so you need to, if you find the median, first the variable must be ascending order. But here in this question, variables are not in ascending order. You make them first ascending order. So I will do the first variables ascending order, right? So what I will do? The variable must be ascending order. Out of all these numbers, which number is a small? 120, right? So 120 frequency, F. So 120 frequency is how much? Frequency is 10. 120 frequency is 10. So I will do first frequency 10. Then next highest is 180, two times are there. Take any one. 180, first 180 9 frequency. Second 180 frequency is 8. Next highest, this one complete, this one complete, this one. Next highest is 250. Next last 280. 250, sorry 190 is there before that. 190 frequency is 7. Next 250 frequency is 8, sorry 6. Last 280 frequency is 7. So this was all about your variables. How many variables are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count like that. Not to make any wrong, right? So this was the number. Now we need to find the, what we need to find? Median first. So how to find the median? Median is, for median purpose, what we need? CF we need. So first you need to find the CF. How to find the CF? 10 first number as it is, this number as it is, here only 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 7, 34. 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. So the total also, this one is also 47. Is it clear now? Now I will show you the median. How to find the median? Median equal to the size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. So this was the formula. Which formula? The median formula, right? I will show you once again. Maybe the corrupt is there. So formula is like this. The size of n plus 1 whole divided by 2th item. Clear? So this was the median formula. So how to find the median then? So median equal to the size, right? The median equal to size. Size is what actually? So your frequency is total how much? The size of n is here how much? N is 47. So 47 plus 1 by 2. How much it comes? 47 plus 1 is 48. 48 by 2 is how much? 24th item. So 24th item in the problem. 24th item means here 19 complete. More than 19 to 27 here. So this area is median. So its variable is how much? So variable is 18. Sorry, 180. 180 is the median. What is your median? Median equal to 180. How it comes? 24. 24 here 19 is over. More than 19 to 27 here. So 24 comes in this area. Its variable is how much? 180. So 180 is the median. Now what you need to do, you need to find the modulus D, right, equal to x minus 180. 180 is median, because if you see here, what we subtracted here, 11.48. Why 11.48? Because our mean is 11.48. That was the base. Here base is arithmetic mean, means what? In arithmetic mean you find and subtract, and you are finding the modulus D x minus mean number. Here what we are subtracting, because median base is there, you subtract the x number minus median answer. Median answer is 120. Now do it now. 120 minus 180, how much? 60. Plus or minus, you just take the difference. 180 minus 180, 0. 180 minus 180, 0. 190 minus 180, this one. So 10. 250 minus 180, how much? 70. 280 minus 180 is 100. So this was your modulus D. So F into modulus D now. So what we will do? So F into this one, sorry, 10 into 60 equal to 600. 9 into 0, 0. Next also 8 into 0 is 0. 7 into 10 is 70. 6 into 70 is 420. And 7 into 100 is 700. So you find the total of this, you will get the 1790. Now you use the median formula. What is the mean deviation formula? Mean deviation formula is this one, right? So what is mean deviation then? Summation of F modulus D. How much total is here? 1790 divided by, what is your n? N is here, how much? See, 47. So answer is this one. How much answer is there? So answer is 38.09. Then what is coefficient then? Now you need to use this formula, because it is used by, see, this formula and this formula difference is what? Coefficient of mean deviation, that is equal to mean deviation by mean, arithmetic mean, because mean is base. Now coefficient of mean deviation by median. Why? Because it is a median base. So use this formula now. So the formula is like this: mean deviation by median. So equal to mean deviation is how much here? 38.09. 38.09 divided by how much your median is there? Median is 180 by 180. So answer is 2.1. Right? So this was the answer for your question. So question number 13 is based on a median. So I will show you one more question that is based on a mode. But before that, I will give you one. I will assign you one question based on your this median. Right? I hope that. So how to find the base is there? First you find the whatever the base given. You find that value. Then subtract that value in the all x number. X number. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಬೇಸ್ನ ಮೀನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನು, ಮೋಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋ ಅಮೌಂಟಿನವಾಗ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಯು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14. Question number 14 is assignment for you. This question is like this: calculate the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation for the following using median. So same type. This question number 13 is same type. You solve the question number 14. After that I will assign you, means I will solve you now question number 15. Question number 15 is based on what? Mode now. Calculate the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation based on mode. So find the solution now. The solution is now what you need to do based on which one? Based on now the mean, sorry, mode now. So x is all, you write the same number. No need to arrange the variable now. No need to arrange the variable in case of where? In case of mode base, no need to arrange. So your x number is 50, 90, 60, right? So I think both numbers are same. I will change the numbers, right? First the question is like this: 60 and 100, 120, 100. Okay, leave the remaining number same, frequency also same. So 60, 100, first number 60, next 100, next number is 120, 100, 120, 110. So number is 60, 100, 120, 100, 120, 110. Frequency. So 11, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7. Clear? Now you need to do what you need to find now. You need to find now In case of median, you computed that CF for median purpose. In case of mean, you computed fx for a mean purpose. But for a mode purpose, no need to find anything. How to find the mode? Mode formula is very simple. Mode equal to, what is formula? Mode equal to the variable having highest frequency. Which frequency is highest? That frequency is variable is the variable highest. Frequency highest, that frequency highest variable is the mode. Highest frequency which one? 11, 7, 8, 11, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7. Highest frequency is 11. Its variable is how much? 60. So 60 is the mode. Simple. 60 is the mode. This was the very simple concept to find the mode. Right? Now you need to find, I think it is clear to you everyone. Mode equal to what? Variable having highest frequency. Highest frequency is 11. Its variable is 60. Now you need to find that. What you need to find? You need to find now directly the modulus D. The modulus D is like this. So now modulus D, what you have to subtract now in the x number, all x number minus mode answer. Mode answer is 60. That was the base. So all this number minus 60 number now. So what you will get? This one. No need to take any negative. 60 minus, first 60 minus 60, 0. Next 100 minus 60, 40. Next 120 minus 60, 60. 100 minus 60, 40. 120 minus 60, 60. 110 minus 60 is 50. Right? So now find the f into modulus D. Right? So we will get this number. So this one into this one equal to here 0. 11 into 0 is 0. 7 into 40 is 280. 8 into 60 is 480. Then 9 into 40 is 280. Not 280, 360 I think. Right? Next 8 into 60, 48, that is 480. 7 into 50, 350. Right? Next, I think it is clear to each one of you. 9 4 ja 36, that is 360, and 480 and 480. Okay, now you need to find the total. Right? So you need to find the total. Total is this one. I think I will check once actually. I think I maybe made any mistake here. Just wait for a while. I think total is same. 280, 280, 360, 280. Okay, 350. It is correct. So you need to apply now first mean deviation formula. Mean deviation is like this. So mean deviation equal to, the formula is summation of f into modulus D. So f into modulus D is how much here? 1950, and frequency total, right? So we need to find frequency total here. The frequency total is 50, right? Divide by 50. So f summation of f modulus D is 1950, and the frequency total n equal to 50. So answer of mean deviation is how much? 39. Now you need to use not this one because it is median base. So not this number, it is a mean base. Now you need to use this one now, based on mode formula. Simple formula, coefficient of mean deviation is what? Mean deviation divided by, simple now, the base on mode, right? So equal to your mean deviation is 39 here, 39. What is your mode? It is 60 here, right? So 39 is your mean deviation divided by 60 is the mode. The answer is 0.65. I hope that the computation of mode is more easier than the mean and median. Andre nanu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, if the question is the silent, that is which using the mean, median or mode, if it is not given in the problem, what you need to select? You need to select any the method, mean base, median base or mode base. There is no restriction of selection of the mean, median or mode. When if the question is only like this, I will show you example. If the question is like this, if it is not given, if the question is like this, calculate the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Now see, in this question there is no the base. Base means mean base or median base or mode base. Which base you have to find? It is not given here. Now in this case you are free to select a mean base, median base or mode base. Which is more the most benefited for you, easier for you, use that method. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಂದಾಗವರು ನೀವೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ನ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Now I will assign you next question. The assigned question is 16th one is assigned question, and 17 also. What is there in the 16th question? Calculate the mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation from the following using mode. Like the same, this solved now. 15th question is base, 16 is there, right? Now 17th question I think I given like this now. Calculate the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Now I not said that mean base, median base, mode base, right? So this which base is I think I not stated here. You select the out of these three methods, which method is the best for you all. You only select any one of mean base, you solve this one, or median base or mode base, not all method. Any one of these three method you select which is best for you, which is more easier for you, you select and solve the problem and send the answer to me, right, for this 17th question. In exam also, if they given the question is like this, you are going to select the best method, mean base, median base, mode base, that is left with you, the bestest method that you have to apply, adopt by solving the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. So this is all about your calculation of mean deviation based on mean, median and mode for ungrouped data, discrete series, right? In the next presentation, I will go with continuous series, right? So all you solve the assigned question, you read properly, make the notes and send the answer to me, right? Don't miss to send the answer. Thank you. Bye-bye.